Is your Valorant at 0% or moving at 0.1 KB while updating your Valorant? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant Update Frozen or not even working. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow me step by step. So the first thing that I'd recommend, go ahead and open up your Riot client over here. Go to the top right of your profile, click on it, click on settings. Then over here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says repair game files. And here, just go ahead and repair, click on repair. This will scan your installation and repair missing or corrupted files. So make sure to click on repair. This is what I usually click when I try to update the game and add 0%. So this is the best that worked for me. Go ahead and click on it. Once done, go ahead and update your game and it should be fixed. If not, we have another solution. Go ahead and close out the game first. And over here, make sure to go to your task manager first. And end tasks that are all related to Riot Client or even Riot Vanguard. Go ahead and end tasks anything that you can see on the task manager. And over here, go ahead and click on your tray. Go find your Riot Vanguard, right click on it and click on exit. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and the problem should be fixed. I told you guys that will be quick and easy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If the problem is solved and this video helped you, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.